to tell you what happened to your body if you decide to be running 1 mile every blessed day. I mean running 1 mile every blessed day. Exercise is a very good thing in our body. When we exercise ourselves, we help all our organs to work, properly. And also, when we exercise ourselves, we tend to shed off some weight, reduce cholesterol from our body, even help our mental thinking. Yes, it also helps our memory. It also activates all the organs we have in our body. And they help us to shed all this sugar and all the fats that we have accumulated over a long period of time. Exercise is very good. And each time you run, you tend to help your body to work fast. Your metabolism is going to be acting fast, burning whatever you put in your mouth, which will help the organs, your immune. Yes, exercise helps us to build our immune system. What does our immune system do for us? Our immune system is that system that always takes care of us, even when we are unaware, of what is going on inside our body. I mean, it's the one responsible to mop up all the foreign bodies, all the foreign things we put inside our body, especially the chemicalized ones and those ones that our body did not need. Yes, immune system take care of them. Our immune system as well, we help to mop up any sickness, especially when you build it to an extent that it takes care of you. It wipes away all these germs, all the bacteria, and any fungi you are battling with without even knowing it. Our immune system tends to flush them out. Is when that sickness is beyond the immune system, that is when the body will send signal to you. It will begin to manifest. You will begin to see symptoms so that you will go and treat yourself. So we should take care of ourselves. We should build our immune system. How do we build our immune system? Some people may ask, yes, you can build your immune system by exercising your body. Yes, it helps to build the immune system. By taking fruits. Yes, especially those that are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids. Yes, just eat those fruits that are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids. For instance, lemon, lime, citrus. The bark contains a lot of flavonoids than the inside. Yes, vitamin C also boosts the immune system. Yes, vitamin C boosts our immune system. You can be taking the capsule if you are not a lover of fruits, but I beg you to be a lover of fruits. Yes, just take your fruits and carotenoid, those that has carotenoid, tend to help our immune system as well. What else can boost our immune system? Coconut. Coconut can boost our immune system, both the water and coconut oil. Coconut oil, is cold pressed coconut oil. Cold pressed coconut oil, not hot press. So this one did not enter fire in any way. Cold pressed virgin coconut oil boosts our immune system. What else can boost your immune system? I've said exercise, yes. What else can boost our immune system? Beetroot. It's a wonderful immune booster. Yes, beetroot can also boost your immune system. So make all these things your friend. Some vegetable like broccoli can also help in boosting your immune system. Vegetables that we eat like pumpkin leaf, celery, broccoli, cauliflower, all those vegetables, green vegetables, and even a purple cabbage, they are very good in boosting the immune system. So when you boost your immune system, it's going to help you a lot because you will live healthy life. I am here and I have promised that I will be telling you what you need to eat, what you need to do in order to live a healthy life, a healthy lifestyle, so that you will run away from visiting doctors, from going to the hospital, because you don't have any need for that. You are healthy. You are flawless. And that exercise as well will help the whole organ to function well. Yes, it will help the whole organ to function well because it will activate them to work very well, to work very good. In fact, when you exercise yourself, you are helping your whole body to work. Yes, that is why the energy you dispense when you are awake is lower than the energy you dispense when you are at rest. Is it shocking to you? Yes, because when you are sleeping, your body tends to do the whole work on its own without any help. Yes, you are semi-unconscious. And by that time, that is the time your body activates itself, because you know that there is no help from anywhere. You are not moving around. You are not helping it in any way. So the body tends to do more work when you are sleeping than when you are awake. When you are awake, as I am talking like this, I'm dispensing energy. I'm even exercising myself. Yes, you help your body to work. So the body will be resting somehow. So you yourself are helping it to work. But when you are at rest, that is when the body acts on its own without your help. So we should make sure we do things that will give us healthy lifestyle. You know, we become what we eat gradually. Yes, we should help our body so that when they are working on their own, they will not have a hindrance and they will not have obstacles. Yes, because when you feed yourself with too much fat and you have excess cholesterol on your body, wow, imagine how your heart will be working in this type of condition. Do you know the size of our heart? If you know the size of your heart, you will not even dare to give your heart excess load to carry, called massive body. Yes, your heart is just the size of your fist. Your heart is the size of your fist. So once you fold your hand like this, this is the size of your heart. So let us help ourselves by exercising ourselves, exercising our body. Make sure we shed off all this excess cholesterol from our body, and then make sure we eat healthily. We shed off all this excess sugar and everything, so that when we are sleeping, the body will have lesser work to do. Yes, when that time that you are not helping it. Thank you so much, and try to subscribe to my channel. Please comment and subscribe. Share this video so that many people will see it, and stop making this mistake that they are doing, thinking that they are eating and they are enjoying life. Please take it easy, because your body is crying. Your body needs help, especially when you are at rest. That is why I'm begging you to eat healthy.